This story is, well, unique to say the least. It starts with a young girl. She loved playing in the woods and making forts with the neighbor boys. But as she got older, she realized that she wasn't a she. So he decided that he was a boy, and that's it. After a while, the young boy had grown into a young man, 17 to be exact. He was doing okay in most respects, except his parents. They still called him by his birth name, used the wrong pronouns, the usual gist with mildly transphobic parents. So he decided that he was done with the disrespect. He decided to leave. He packed necessities, of course, clothes, food, etc., but also some personal things. His favorite music, a picture or two, things. He wrote a brief note, told his brother he loved him, and he ran.